This is the Elegoo Centauri carbon, which is really bright printers that I've been using it for almost 3 months now. Let's see. This is the 3D printed device from this printer. It's look really cool. So inside the machine is this machine is fully enclosed printers, which is you can print varieties of materials like ABS, SA, and all these high temperature material. But I personally mostly use for BOA, and the quality of print is quite impressive. You can see that the layers is very consistent, which is really bright printer. I'm planning to upgrade to another printers, which is Elegoo recommend the version 2 with multi-color printing. That's all.